Meaning of for.
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 For. For is a preposition that can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a general rule, it expresses a relationship between two nouns or pronouns indicating the purpose, duration, or beneficiary of an action. For example, I bought a gift for my sister indicates that the purpose of buying the gift was to give it to the sister as a present. However, for can also function as a conjunction introducing a clause that provides a reason, explanation, or argument. In this sense, it shows the cause and effect relationship between the ideas presented in two clauses.